Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Here to show you around the Z06. We got an Akrapovic exhaust put on it recently and some fresh belt hoses, alternator, etc. Just some small minor fixes to get it right. So let me show you around. Alright, so here's the Akrapovic exhaust. I did get it used from a guy on Facebook Marketplace. He sold it to me with these 4.5-inch tips. I'm not the biggest fan of them. I like the carbon fiber ones more, but for $1.50 for exhaust tips, I think I'll live with it for a little bit. I've got bigger fish to fry right now. Unfortunately, the stock clutch is starting to go out on us. I can't really be too mad because I drive this car like a bat out of hell, but that is, the next problem. Beginning of racing season next year, we'll get a new clutch in it. Got a fresh alternator on there. Was having some issues with the old one, having service charging system pop up. Fresh belt, got a fresh battery in there too to try to fix that. And then I actually snapped the harmonic balancer bolt in half while I was ripping on it, a couple weeks ago or whatnot. So got a fresh ARP bolt on there as well as a ATI balancer, and there's no underdrive on that. But besides that, that's the quick update. Everything else is the same as what it was before, and not a whole lot's changed. Whenever we get to the beginning of the racing season next year, I'm gonna do the clutch to it. I'm probably gonna do a monster triple, but that's pretty much where we're at right now with the car. If y'all have any questions, feel free to let me know, and then I'm gonna get y'all some sound clips as well as this Akrapovic exhaust. Sounds pretty mean. So unfortunately too, I also bent this left wheel up front. So rest in peace to welds, $1,000 on the drain, but we'll probably pick up a set of skinnies beginning of the season anyway, just to replace those and save a little bit of weight off the top. And then I still have this 18-inch weld in the back. I don't usually run this big of a tire, just really doesn't need it. But my buddy had these, so I ended up picking them up. Unfortunately, I did split the fender wells while racing up in Ennis, but that's fine. We'll get the fiberglass repaired and move on. I do have a set of ET Street R's 305 4518 coming in, but they're on back order, so any day when Summit decides to bless me and give me my tires, that'd be great. If you know anybody at Summit who can expedite me, that would also be great. If not, whatever, I'll keep being patient, but I am running on a prayer. Baller than my dad's head, man. And she does not hook up in first or second anymore with those tires, so it's a lot sketchier now. Ready to get some new meat on the back, but I'm at the mercy of the rubber guys right now, so we'll see. Huh?